Welcome back to the Nash Potatoes Outdoor Show. Today I'm at Glacier National Park, hanging with my boy T. We are entering through the Two Medicine entrance. We're going to do a little bit of hiking. There's a couple lakes up that way. This is Travel Vlog 58. Don't go anywhere.
Hawaii is awesome, man, but to me this is so much better than Hawaii. Like, I love it. Hey, how's it going? Yeah.
These are all raspberry bushes, huh, T?
Yeah, man, I'm loving it. Loving it. When you one of these days off. Hey, over there. Hey, buddy. What's up? What's up? That's cool.
T's been eating raspberries all day. Now we found some huckleberries. Let me zoom in on that. Show me what it looks like. Huckleberry pie is super popular over here. Is it good, T?
It's awesome. This one, that lady just told me to eat these when they look like this, and I'm telling you, they're on the money.
Does it taste so sweet when it hits your lips?
Mm-hmm. It's somewhere in between a blueberry,
yeah,
and maybe a raspberry.
T, let's ask the audience about those raspberries. That lady called them thimbleberries?
Thimbleberries, I believe.
Yeah.
But
has anybody heard of thimbleberries? We'll have to Google that.
Yeah, definitely. I don't pay attention too good, but I think that's what they were called.
We're chilling at the waterfalls right now. What was this called? Astor Falls? Yeah, Astor Falls. Beautiful.
Man, you gotta try some of these, bro. They're awesome. So sweet. Dude, that looks awesome.
I know. Look how tall that is.
Yeah. I like how narrow it is, too. I totally noticed hiking at lower elevations a lot easier. Like if we were doing a hike like this at 9,000 feet, got to stop from time to time. Got a fork in the road up here too.
Camera. So T's been eating these raspberries all day, and he said to me on the walk earlier, he goes, Jay Nash, I ate about 50 of those raspberries already. And then we ran into these two ladies, one lady from Montana and one lady from New Jersey, and the lady goes, oh, those aren't raspberries, those are thimbleberries. And her other friend, without catching a breath, says, And they're poisonous.
I was like,
but she was
damn.
joking.
So let's go ahead and eat another. Mm-mm. So damn good, and I feel the nutrition too, you know? Like I get a jolt of energy from
Yo, T, where we headed, baby?
going to the Red Rock Falls.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. I'm gonna knock out like 15 miles when it's all said and done. It's all flat land. Maybe they just weren't ripe blueberries, you know?
Oh, here's some more here, T. To the right. T found some more berries.
Not sure what these are, so I'm not gonna dabble. Even though I want to.
Do it, T. Do it.
You might have to carry me out of this joint. Man, this is awesome. Look at this. Holy mackerel.
Me and T made it to Rockwell Falls, baby!
Game on. Amazing.
Where you at, T?
I've been eating berries.
I assume so.
Check that out. We just went. That's pretty awesome.
Not
Later
not even
can have
strawberry figs.
It's too tempting.
Except for the fact there is no strawberry figs in the world. Yesterday I brought an extra gallon.